The morning sun was bright, yet Bluey suddenly froze in the yard. A strange rumble echoed close, heavy footsteps shaking the ground. Bingo pointed wide-eyed. "Bluey, something's coming." They both gasped sharp as a giant playful chicken costume came running fast toward them. Could Bluey escape in time? Bluey and Bingo bolted across the grass screaming wild, their paws pounding quick. Bandit looked up from his chair shocked, shouting loud, "What on earth is chasing you two?" Chilli dropped her watering can, eyes widening big, and the chase turned the quiet yard into chaos. Could the family survive this madness? The chicken costume flapped its wings silly but powerful, squawking loud, "Bok bok." Bluey dashed behind the tree desperate, Bingo stumbled over the hose rolling messy, and Bandit tried blocking with a broom. Yet the giant figure kept chasing, unstoppable. Could they ever slow it down? Muffin and Socks ran into the scene fearless, Muffin carrying a frying pan shield, Socks barking warning sharp. "We'll save you!" Muffin shouted bold, charging at the giant chicken with heroic steps. The creature swerved, wings smacking pillows off the patio, the chase faster than ever. Could Muffin's courage turn the tide? Bluey scrambled toward the trampoline, bouncing high to escape. But the chicken jumped too, feathers flying in all directions. Bingo yelped loud, "It's still after us." Bandit puffed hard, swinging the broom like a knight, Chilli waving a towel like a flag. The chase grew wild, unstoppable. Could teamwork finally win this battle? Just then Lucky and Rusty appeared at the fence, holding water balloons ready. "Aim for the head." Rusty yelled fierce, and they launched splash after splash. The chicken slipped on the soaked ground, feathers drenched, tumbling upside down with a goofy squawk. Could this mean victory? Bluey caught her breath laughing loud, Bingo hugged her close, while Bandit poked the costume curious. The zipper came loose, and out popped Uncle Stripe red-faced and sweaty. "Surprise," he wheezed, grinning sheepish. Everyone gasped then burst into laughter. Could the chase really have been just a prank? They all collapsed giggling, Muffin still swinging her pan proud. Bluey shouted, "That was the craziest chase ever." And hey, if you enjoyed this wild run, hit like, subscribe, and be ready for the next insane adventure with Bluey and friends.